Most people think saving money makes you rich. But what if I told you that's a lie you've been told your whole life? In this video, we'll reveal why saving money is not the path to wealth and what you should do instead. If saving money made people rich, every middle-class person would be a millionaire. But that's not the case. Because the rich don't just save, they invest, multiply, and grow their money. Inflation eats savings. When you save money in a bank, you feel secure. But what you don't see is the hidden enemy, inflation. Every year, your money loses value. That $100 today? It buys you less next year. Low interest returns. Banks offer very low interest rates. So while your money sits safely, it's actually getting poorer over time. They invest. Rich people don't save, they invest. In stocks, real estate, businesses, and assets that grow in value. They learn financial skills. They study money, take calculated risks, and focus on income-generating opportunities. They understand that money is a tool, not something to hide under the mattress. Example. Let's say you save $10,000. After 10 years in a bank, it might become $11,000. But if you invest it smartly, it could become $20,000 or more. Build multiple income streams. Want to build real wealth? Focus on creating multiple streams of income from side businesses, online opportunities, or investing in your skills. Learn before you leap. Start learning about personal finance, investing, and business. Don't wait for the perfect time. The best investment is in yourself. Saving money is safe, but it won't make you rich. If you really want to change your life, start thinking like the wealthy. Learn, invest, and take action.